Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mia. 215, 216. We're going to turn all our devices. I got the TV on. There's some suspicion with some folks with these alerts. And I know we had some within the last couple of years, at least one I remember. So this is the preliminary video. And out of space. This device here is, let's see, turn the sound on. Okay, so this one is really quiet, but this is a really cheap tablet. And they try to say it's a $100 tablet, but it's, I don't know. I can't complain. I know what I'm getting myself into when I do stuff like this. So this device doesn't have the sound on, so I'm going to do this as a preliminary. Let's see, let me pause you in case, I think I did turn it down. I don't know if I have the alerts, notification alerts set up on these devices. So I'll log off of this game and I guess just go to the home screen. There used to be a home screen on my iPad that was like, it was like news and stuff on the left, and then it had like a spot to do a search, which I actually really liked. I don't know if it had the weather and everything. I actually really liked. Ooh, it went off early. You guys saw me jump. I'm going to do part 2.
This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The purpose is to maintain and improve alert and warning capabilities at the federal, state, local, tribal, and territorial levels, and to evaluate the nation's... Esta es una prueba del Sistema Nacional de Alerta Inalámbrica de Emergencia. El propósito es mantener y mejorar las capacidades de alerta y emergencia a nivel federal, estatal, local,
It's not coming on the TV.
las capacidades de alerta y emergencia pública de la nación. No se requiere ninguna acción por parte del público. No action is required by the public.
You saw me jump out of my seat. I don't want to get a copyright, but if my channel disappears, guys, go find me on towerofhealth1@gmail.com. Let's try it.